All right, we're gonna do the melody. And in this song, it's written both as the notes and then the tablature right under it. And if you lay your guitar down and you put your tablature right up to it, this will show you what notes to play, which is very helpful. A 0 means open. So you don't put any fingers down and you follow what number or what string it's playing on. So we're going to try Hushabye, All the Pretty Little Horses, just the melody. Okay, 1, 2, ready, play. Okay, that was in the key of A minor. The cool thing is we also, in this song, you can also play it in E minor just to get a different feel for it. But today we'll just focus on that A minor because we've worked on all of those chords in class. Okay, have a great night.